Hi everyone, Judy here. Today I will try this restaurant-style fried chicken 4-in-1 mix from Del Monte. Inside the pack are the marinade, gravy, batter, and the breading. First, according to the instruction at the back of the package, we will need to marinate the chicken. So I was using thigh part. I let it marinate overnight so the chicken will really soak up the flavor.
Next, I prepare the batter. I just mix water, so just follow the instruction at the back of the packaging.
And then I coat the chicken with the batter, then the breading before frying it. My chicken turns out not as beautiful as in the picture you see on the packaging, but overall the chicken were tasty and yummy. My kids like it. That's the most important part. Yeah. Then the instructions on the packaging was easy to follow. And lastly, I made a gravy, which was yummy, by the way. I can compare this gravy, almost the same as the one we have at KFC, Jollibee, or Shakey's. So I recommend the gravy, guys.
That's it for today, guys. So I hope I was able to help you if you are thinking of buying this product. And if you are very new, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye for now.